Ayan, okay, naka-record na. Welcome back once again sa Chantal Direct Sales e-com presentation po with our beloved Vice President ng Chantal, Mr. Mark Magdadaro. Pero syempre, no, sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin, my name is Engineer Troy Alan Cruz Magpantay, Auto Service. Ayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bakit ganun ang batian po natin dito kay Chantal Direct Sales? Because Chantal Direct Sales is international na. Mamaya mababanggit po yan sa slideshow ni VP Mark Magdadaro. Okay, so hindi na po natin patatagalin ito, no? Sapagkat, talaga naman mahalaga ang oras natin, no? At ngayon pa lang po, nagpapasalamat na po kami ni VP Mark Magdadaro na binigyan niyo po ng oras sa gabing ito ang ating presentation for tonight. No? At hindi ko na rin po kayo babati-bati sa isang. Si BP na ang bahala. At si BP na rin po ang bahala magpakilala sa kanyang sarili. Pero, siyempre, no, kailangan ng konting intro. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome po ang ating Vice President ng ating operations, no, ng marketing. Ayan, ang ating VP Mark Magdadaro, siyempre po, no, I think single, ready to mingle. Multi-millionaire. Ayan po, at the age of wag na natin sabihin yung age. Alam ko batang-bata pa po ang ating VP. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our beloved Vice President, none other than VP Mark Magdadaro. Pasok, VP.
Ayun, thank you Sir Troy. Okay ba yung audio ko, sir? Kasi nasa hotel kasi ako ngayon.
Yes, loud and clear po. Sana all.
Alright, so hi po sa ating lahat, no, sa ating mga kasyontal nandito sa Zoom. Can I ask question, okay lang guys? Paki-type nga ng yes guys if okay. Yes, alright. So, any one of you here is bagong distributor ni Chantal? Paki-type ng 1 guys so that I can para alam ko din kung sino yun na dito sa Zoom. Paki-type ng 1 guys if you're new distributor, and top 2 naman is yung dati ng distributor kasi sobrang dami familiar faces dito, no? Isa na dito si Sir Troy. Grabe, napaka-loyal ni Sir Troy sa Chantal. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay. Madaming 1, 2, 1. Okay. So, our topic kasi ngayon is about e-com, no? About e-com presentation siya actually. So, anyone here na may invite tayo na bago? Paki-type ng 3 guys if may bagong hindi pa member ni Chantal. Parang member na ata, no, lahat. Member na mo si Sir Troy, no? Okay, I guess we are all members. But for today's presentation guys, no, hopefully na ito presentation na to is you can also apply it for your presentation, no? So kumbaga, I know for sure na everyone know this type of presentation kasi probably na present na din natin to sa ating mga prospects, no, sa ating mga yun nga, sa ating mga invites, no. So let me share to you my screen guys. Okay. Ayun. Okay. So okay ba yung ano natin guys, no? Can you type yes if nakakita yun na yung ano screen? Hindi ko makita yung chat. Okay. I guess everyone is already seen my screen. So So right now guys, we're gonna talk about e-commerce and dropshipping, no? And later on siguro update lang din sa marketing since mostly here is member ni Chantal, no? Ano yung mga updates ni Chantal, especially sa marketing na projects, no? And I'm sure that everyone here is nag-attend last time na event natin, so probably repeat ko na lang 'yon, no? So, and let's talk about e-commerce, no? So, let me introduce myself first, no? I'm VP Mark. I'm currently the Vice President of Central Direct Sales, no? I'm doing e-commerce since 2018 pa, no? And then I'm a former real estate agent or marketer, no? Way back when I graduated in University of San Carlos, I took up BS Psychology. So bale, after ko mag-graduate, no, agad ako sa sales and marketing wherein doon ako nasanay na kung paano mag-market, no? It's a good thing also because by that time, last 2016, marunong na ako mag-Facebook ads. So ginamit ko 'yon as a advantage for me since mostly kasi that time is puro organic lang sila, no? So I'm using Facebook ads that time for real estate, no? So let's talk about e-commerce. Now, I know every one of you here is know already what is e-commerce. So it's e-commerce, the online buying and buying and selling of goods and services involving digital transactions and payments. So we all know that e-commerce is very booming na nowadays, no? Lahat ng not just shopping platform but also hotels, transportation, lahat ng transaction is purely online na. So digitalized na talaga lahat. So actually this is one of our business model, no? Direct selling powered by e-commerce. Now, so what is the process? No, we all know that I'm sure we have Shopee and Lazada here, no, in this room, no. So we all know the process already, no. You will search in any application, shopping application, then you add to cart, then you pay, then we'll deliver it to your place. You will receive and you will also give feedback to any platform that you na like for example Lazada or Shopee. Next, is e-commerce still popular trend in the business world? No? So for me, okay, pamute natin si Kuya, no? Okay. For me, no, is e-commerce is still in fact very progressing na business, no? So as you can see, in US dollars, 6 trillion, over 8 trillion dollars yung uh, pag-increase, no, by 2026. So probably e-commerce ngayon is really booming na business, no. In fact, no, I'm sure every one of you here experienced pandemic days, no. And sobrang lakas ng e-commerce doon that time since bawal tayo lumabas. So everything is papa-deliver mo na lang, no? And right now by 2026 is still good business. So as you can see on the graph, to the moon talaga siya. From 2014 until 2024, the sales of for retail, for e-commerce is higher talaga. It's still progressing, no? So in fact, no, why is it progressing? Because every one of us here is sa ano na talaga, it's online shopper, no? Even me, punta ako sa mall, no? I prefer na lang to check na lang sa Shopee instead of walking around the stall or stores of a mall, kasi for sure may mabibili ako sa Shopee na mas mura. Anyone can relate. Can you type 1, guys? Anyone can relate na hindi na nagpupunta sa mall. Instead, doon na lang sa Shopee tumingin ng ng item? Anyone can relate to me? Hindi ko makita yung chat. Wait, check ko. Okay. Yes, nasabi ni Ma'am Arlene and Ma'am Jonah, nakaka-relate sila. So, bakit kaya kasi nasanay tayo na convenient na lang actually naman. Convenient naman na doon ka lang sa online bibili, 'di ba? Kasi for sure, may makikita ka talaga mas mura compared to the mall na prices. No, mas maganda doon pa talaga sa pag sa online platform tayo bumili. Okay, so in fact, it's very booming yung e-commerce because one of the owners of the biggest e-commerce company, which is the Amazon and the Alibaba, is still um, nasa nasa talaga sila guys, no? Nasa list talaga sa Forbes na pinaka-rich na man in the world, no? So one of the business of nakasali dun sa list is e-commerce, which is Amazon, no? And also we have produced largest corporations like Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, Uber, and Airbnb. And this is the usual na ginagamit nating channels on any platform, which is number one dyan is Facebook. Alam naman natin sobrang dami nating sobrang daming population here, especially here in the Philippines na may Facebook na, no? Tapos sumunod dito si TikTok, no? I guess number one na ata si TikTok sa na tawag dito, sobrang daming population na users, no? And of course, Shopee and Lazada, we all know that, no? We all know that platform. So next is what is the pros and cons of e-commerce, no? First, yung yung pro dito is may control ka over your inventory, and then higher profit margin, especially si Chantal, will give you up to 55% discount. So sobrang laki na yun na profit margin para sa atin. So next dito is brand control, wherein you can control your brand, no? I mean, ikaw yung nagma-market doon, of course, ikaw yung ikaw talaga yung magko-control when it comes to quality, when it comes to your marketing strategy or brand awareness. And customization, wherein you can also have more promos, no? Ikaw bahala kung ano yung ipopromo mo, buy one take one ka ba, or buy one anything na makapag-benefit din yung mga client natin. So what is the cons? Number one is higher initial investment. Higher initial investment wherein alam naman natin pag gusto tayong mayroon tayong own brand, no? Sobrang laki din ng cost for products, no? So sobrang laki ng investment doon, products pa lang yan, no? At least meron kang 3M to 4M based on sa mga sa mga nakausap ko ng mga brand owners, no? Before sila magkaroon ng isang brand, no? Sobrang laki talaga ng initial investment. Number two is inventory management, especially if wala kang staff. Sobrang hirap mag-inventory, guys, no? As long as if wala ka ding system, nagmamanual ka lang, very complicated talaga ito. Number three is operational complexity, no? So it means sobrang dami mong iniisip na for example, magpapack ka pa, tapos ikaw po yung magpapa-deliver. So dami mong sa operation, especially if ikaw lang mismo yung gagawa diyan. Sobrang dami kang gagawin when it comes to delivering your products or anything na when it comes to operation. And number four, risk of dead stock, no? Especially if food yung products natin, if may sobrang dami kang on-hand na stocks, maano talaga yun sa expiry gas. So very risk din yung na part na yun. That's why we're very privileged because everyone here, here in Chantal is hindi ka na kailangan mag-initial investment kasi may products na tayong sobrang lupit, sobrang quality. we don't have any di ka na mo problema sa inventory natin so we have system. May back-end tayo na logistic team for that. May company tayo na mag-alaga sa inventory natin. And of course, ikaw mismo wala kang on-hand na inventory kasi we're all dropshipping, no? We have dropshipping concept. Operational complexity no is hindi din siya ano kasi no need ka nang kasi nga dropshipping tayo ang yung company mismo yung magde-deliver ng products natin, and of course risk of dead stock, which means that yun nga sabi ko hindi ka na maghawak ng product, so even kung ano lang yung order mo, kung ano yung na market mo lang, si company na mismo yung magde-deliver sa client niyo, okay? So next tayo is, yun nga, that's why good thing we have drop shipping. So for everyone doesn't know what is drop shipping is, so it's a selling products online without stocking inventory. So yun yung ano natin, yun yung drop shipping, which is save on upfront cost and inventory management. No, that's why yun yung sinabi ko kanina, buti na lang even if we do e-commerce, buti na lang that Chantal has a drop shipping system. Okay. So what will be the process of drop shipping, no? So as you can see here, now you open the online store, then yun nga, if may order yung client nyo, then the client will encode on the system, tapos yun sa supplier na dropship mo, and then the supplier will ship to your client. So that's really the process. So wala kang hawak na products dito, no? Bale, nagpapa-dropship ka lang sa supplier na yon. Okay? So what will be the dropshipping pros and cons? So pros, no, is flexibility. Since kahit nasa bahay ka lang, guys, you can do the business anywhere. No, scalability wherein you can scale up. Kasi yung OPEX mo is lesser lang, so probably you can focus more pag-scale up for marketing and sales now. I mean, marketing costs and high target markets wherein you can target anywhere, even outside Philippines. So what will be the cons? Again, higher initial investment, no? Finding reliable suppliers. Sobrang hirap maghanap ng winning products, guys, to tell you if you want to have your own brand, and higher investment on the stocks. And yeah, one of the reason is also inventory management. But the good thing here, because we have drop shipping business here sa company natin, which is Chantal, no? So to tell you the process, I know for sure that you know already the process, no? This is really our kabuuhan sa system natin, which is your customer will order you online through Facebook or anywhere, any platform that you have. Of course, you will encode it to the system, and then the cashier will process the order of your client, and then the next step is our logistic will pack your orders, and then the rider will deliver it to your clients. I will collect the payment of your client, and then the rider will remit to the cashier. The cashier will trigger to the system and will make your the status of your transaction will be completed and delivered, no? And then your profit will be deposited sa system natin. So doon ka ganda yung system natin, guys, no? As you can see, everything here is already automated. So probably, guys, gagawin mo na lang is mag-withdraw ka na lang talaga ng yung nagiging profit mo, naging retail profit mo dito sa Chantal. No, it's a good thing because actually this is our system, which is ngayon nagiging green na tayo, hindi na tayo nagiging pink, no? And we have branches, no, which is here in the Philippines. And tomorrow pala guys, no, ano ko lang, segue ko lang, mag-open na tayo sa Bulacan and also Pampanga City. So if you're from Bulacan, if you're from Pampanga, no, see you tomorrow. Mag-grand opening tayo doon. And next is, yun nga, this is you, no? And you can have you can target as many as you can here in the Philippines. And also you can also target outside Philippines, which is Taiwan, Hong Kong, UAE, Dubai, no? Yes, this is our products, no? Actually, sobrang dami pa nating products to offer. But this products is ano to, kasama sa ating Ecom Elite na products. And yeah, no need tayo mag-inventory. That's a good thing about Chantal, because yun nga, mag-dropship lang tayo sa company and the company will deliver to you. And up to 50 to 55% sales discount, no, yung may bibigay namin na retail profit if you are the exclusive Ecom Elite na ano. So I guess any one of you here is hindi pa naka-sign up or nag-send ng application for Ecom Elite. So you can message me or you can message marketing team natin para ma-approve yung ano natin, application natin, no? But for starter naman, or if you are VIP, so you have 40% retail discount naman, no? So what is your business setup? So you can also be solo or you can also have admin. So probably solo, no, wala kang admins, wala kang advertiser, bali ko talaga lahat in general. Ikaw yung mag-advertise, ikaw yung mag-admin, ikaw na lahat, no? If you want to have tawag dito, a team or a hub, no, is meron ka talagang admin. It's either VA ba yan or virtual admins lang na wala kayo sa isang room, no? Or you have, pwede naman na admins na nandun sa bahay nyo, kasi tayo naman nagsisimula lang sa bahay, 'di ba? So pwede naman 'yon, or sa office nyo, or maybe you can also if di mo na talaga kaya i-supervise yung ano, for example, focus ka lang sa focus ka lang sa sales, and then for marketing naman, nag-scout ka lang for advertiser, no, for you. So that's the business setup. So actually in the picture, no, ito yung mga sales team natin, and ano sila, sila yung sumasagot ng mga inquiries uh, ng mga pages natin. Right? So let me share to you guys, no, one of our distributors. So actually currently they're the top one seller for the entire first quarter, no, of 2024. Grabe si Sir Troy, naghuhugas. Okay. All right, so sila yung top natin, no? Sila yung top 1 natin. So I will share to you guys paano sila nagsimula, how they set up the business, and paano sila nag-grow, no? So I'm sure everyone, you are all excited guys, para I'm sure lahat naman siguro tayo gusto maging top 1, no? Yes, kasi may incentive tayo guys, no? May incentive tayo kung sino yung nasa top 10. Okay. So this is Jerky and Clean May, no, Mansasala from Bacolod. So they're top 1 natin. So guys, nag-start lang sila ng 5,000. Okay? Yung 5,000 na yun guys is tulong lang namin as support pang ads, and then they started to run their ads as 500 pesos daily. So kumbaga, yung 500 pesos daily na yan guys is meron na din yung return niya for 10 days, no? Bale, kung ano yung parang profit nila, yun din yung pinaran nila ulit, no? Until nag-scale up sila ng April to September 2023. So yung ano pala nila guys is sa UAE, no? UAE sila nagfo-focus ngayon and daily may 2,000 na sila na ads budget. So kumbaga, they have 2 pages, no? 1,000 each. No, different products. Yes, different products to. And no admin. So bali ang ginawa nila guys, no, possible din pala tong setup nila because balik tayo, si Jerky is focus siya more on the ads and the admins, no? Bali yung wife niya is siya yung bahala sa creatives, siya bahala sa palitan lang din sila since UAE yung market nila, so gabi talaga yung ano yung pumapasok yung mga inquiries, so palitan na lang sila, wala silang admin dito guys, no? And then to compute, no, kung ano yung net nila, no, yung gross nila guys, no, income 194,000 noong September 2023. So yung ad cost lang nila guys is 60,000. Tapos kasali na yung internet nila, electricity nila, and salary nila of course, no? Dapat may salary sila kasi sila yung ano sila gumagawa ng lahat di ba? Lahat na sila yung mga rule ng advertiser, ng admin, sila gumagawa. So of course may sweldo sila. Maybe sabi nila is 10K each sila, but they're couple naman, so bahala na, basta they're allotted 20,000 for them, no, for their daily needs, no. So probably their total expenses was 83,700. Kapag kinukumpit natin to guys, no, ano nila, basic accounting lang to guys, no, nag-net na sila ng 110,300 pesos. Malaki na ba ito guys? Type 1 nga guys, if okay na to sa inyo. Yung kitaan na to guys. Si Arlene nag-type ng 1. Yung iba guys, no, okay, type ng 1 guys if nag-manifest tayo na monthly income net ha, net, kumbaga net mo na yon, tinilos mo na, nag-less ka na ng expenses mo, yun yung income mo talaga as net, no? It's either na lang if you will scale up na lang itong pera na to or you will share na lang or depende sa inyo, no? So actually guys, no, importante itong mag-compute tayo guys, financial statement, kahit itong ganitong business natin, since we have kasi operational expenses, no? No, wag natin parang for example if nag-ads na tayo guys, no? Let's say nag-ads na tayo and then feel mo lang malaki yung income mo kasi malaki din yung sales natin. 'Di ba? Di mo pala kinompute guys yung ads cost mo, wala kang record ng ilan yung na-spend mo na ads, wala kang record kung ano yung na-expend yung expenses mo, for example, kuryente mo or anything na nagko-cost ng negosyo mo, 'di ba? Pag wala kang computation doon, guys, hindi mo alam if profit ba yung may profit ka ba sa mga ginagawa mo, no? Kung negative ka ba or parang sobrang hirap pag scale up guys, no, if wala ka talagang computation. Kasi as you can see dito guys, no, wala namang sobrang complicated na expenses dito 'di ba? If nasa bahay ka lang, you can also add your ad cost, your total mo lang, or you can also add internet, electricity, and also kung gusto niyo mag-salary sa self niyo, kung mas better if may salary na kayo guys mismo, no, sa sarili nyo, kasi i-spend mo tong 110,300 na personal, which is ito kasi pwede mo naman ito talagang tawag dito, pwede mo ito i-scale up, no, dagdagan yung budget nyo or anything, or save mo muna for your own company, or you can share naman up to after first quarter or after 6 months, no? Kayo na bahala kung ano yung gusto nyo mangyari sa money nyo, no? But you need also to know na dapat din tayo mag-save for emergency funds for our business, okay? So now, since sobrang laki ng ano nila, sobrang laki ng tawag dito, ng net nila, no? is nag-scale up na din sila, no? Nag 4,000 daily na sila. So bali nag-additional sila ng 2,000 pala each ng ads budget nila. And right now, meron na silang 2 admins which is virtual admins. Okay? So of course, sobrang laki din ng gross income nila, no? Na naging 261, sobrang ni-increase din sila kasi nga nag-scale up din sila ng ads. So sorry guys, no, hindi mali tong 60,000, hindi lang na-update. But their ads is roughly mga 4,000 daily. So roughly mga nasa ano yan, mga 120 plus something, no? So of course, balik tayo sa internet, electricity, 2,500 and 1,200. And then admin salary nila guys, just imagine guys, no, 34,000 pesos. So probably guys, yung admin nila kumikita ng mga 19,000 monthly. Okay, commission based kasi ano sila, bale hindi sila sa office talaga, so hindi siya sweldo based but commission based, no? Sa last interview ko sa kanila, yung admin daw nila is yung sobrang laki ng sales is currently ano senior high, no? Senior high. Nag-stop lang ng school guys kasi hindi na kaya mag-school, no? Because of the wala silang kulang sa budget, no? So ngayon sobrang grabe yung hard work ng bata na yon kasi sobrang laki din ng talagang sales na nila. So umaabot monthly roughly daw yung commissions ng admin is mga abot ng 19 to 25,000. Okay, of course, meron din silang salary, no, which is 20,000. And total expenses nila is 177. Malaki po ba yun, guys? Yes, medyo malaki na din, no? So probably nag-net pa rin sila. Kahit sobrang laki ng expenses, okay pa rin yung net income nila, which is 83,900. Okay na yun, no? Okay na yun, guys. Paki-type ng 2 guys if okay yung income na yun. Anyone? Okay ba yung income natin guys na itong 83,000 monthly? Of course, sobrang okay na yan guys, no, for our family, no. Net na kasi yun guys, no, may sweldo ka na, everything is needed na, depende na lang nyo kung i-roll mo ba ito or hindi na. Okay? So now, since everyone you here, no, every one of you here is member na or hindi pa member, ito yung ginagawa ko guys, no, i-promote ko lang kasi ngayon today pala nag-meeting kami ni chairman, magkakaroon na tayo ng changes for Ecom Elite, no. So kumbaga guys, hopefully guys kung ma-launch natin to, itong sana tulungan niyo po kami, no. Maglo-launch kami ng parang educational courses which is yun nga yung nasa benefits natin, no? They have free trainings for Facebook ads, which is basic to advanced. And ano pa ba? Website conversion, creatives, bootcake. So lahat po yun guys matutunan nila for only probably yung last usap ng chairman for only 10,000 pesos. So actually guys week 3 siya. So bale 3 weeks tayo mag-training and then tawag dito. And yun pala, aside from the training benefits or aside inclusions, meron din silang free products worth, I'm sure, worth 11,000 din yun. So, guys, can I ask for your support? Can you type yes, guys, if you want? Kasi probably we will launch this program mga second week of May, no? Second week of May. So, sana guys mag-invite din kami ng mga sobrang lakas na mga speakers. I mean sobrang experts when it comes to Facebook ads or anything. So, open tayo lahat guys, no, kahit hindi sila magda-dropship or if they want to switch other careers, like they will focus on freelancing, if they have their own brand, open tayo dito guys, but they will pay the rate, no, which is 10,000 for 3 weeks na yun. So, sobrang solid na yun. Sulit na po yan, guys, no, kasi after that kasi may mga masterclass tayo doon, may mga i-guide talaga natin. Are you all excited? Yes. Yes, 3 weeks to, Coach Chris, no. 3 weeks to. So, hopefully guys, if ma-launch na natin to, target goal lang namin guys, at least 20 person, no? Kaya ba natin to? 20 person on first batch. Hopefully we can, yun yung goal lang namin, 20 person or 10 person. Ano, tapos tuloy-tuloy na yan guys, no? Hopefully after that Zoom, no, pwede tayo mag face-to-face event, no? Yung sabi ko last time sa program natin, na pag face-to-face event tayo, mag-invite tayo mga expert din sa e-com. Of course, hotel po yun, no? And then, after that, pwede natin sila if they want to proceed, no, if they're interested, no, doon na tayo pumapasok sa funneling, which is may recorded na tayo sa mga courses na yon. Or after that, after sa recorded, we can also have scheduled din na trainings for them. Okay? So yun nga, ito yung value, no, which is, alam naman siguro natin, no, na trainings natin dito sa Chantal for free. But ngayon guys, no, kasi yung sa ads level up, kasi guys, no, which is the founder is si Junji, sobrang daming interested talaga sa e-com and dropshipping. Alright? Sobrang daming interested guys, no? They're willing to pay 25,000 just to learn Facebook ads, no? 'Di ba? So I'm sure guys, no, may kakilala kayong gusto talaga. Gusto talaga mag-e-com, mag-dropshipping, or even mag-ads sila, no? Meron dyan guys, no, hopefully after ma-launch natin to this second week of May, sana guys samahan nyo kami, let's join forces, no, na maging successful tong project natin nito. Okay, so yun nga, why choose Chantal Dropshipping Business? Now as you can see in the picture guys, no, I'm here in Manila guys, na literal talaga sobrang traffic, no, and of course sobrang if you are commuters, no, if may 8 hours job ka here in Manila, tapos dito ka pa sobrang pagod mo na sa work, tapos pagod ka pa pauwi, 'di ba? So buti na lang si Chantal, where dropshipping, kahit sa bahay lang you can do the business. And of course, home-based business siya. And number 2, less capitalization, which is no need na to stocks inventory, and less OPEX and manpower, since we don't have any less manpower lang tayo, since the company will provide everything na. And of course, quality product line and multiple avenues, no, which is we can, no, nakita mo naman kanina sa video natin, no, we can also provide travels, no, anywhere. And mano ko lang guys, no, is this month or next year, no, pupunta tayo sa Jeju Island, and of course, no, Japan, no. Hindi natin tumabot guys if hindi tayo magma-market, okay? Hindi natin yun ma-achieve yung dream natin na mag-travel with our family, no, if hindi natin talaga i-focus yung business natin. I guess that's all. Question guys, question. Inom muna ako ng tubig. Sir Troy, ano muna, dito si Coach GM, pa-host nga ako ngayon, Coach GM. Can you open the first? Right guys, may question ba tayo? Are you all excited? may question si Marlon dito guys, no? Meron bang materials or creatives na pwede namin gamitin for promotion? So actually sir, we have Telegram channel. You can go there. Sobrang dami nating mga posted yun na mga creatives and also Drive sir if you want to have a raw pictures or assets, no, na ikaw mismo yung mag-i-edit. Yes. Alright, so actually andito si Coach GM, no, and isa din siya sa coaches natin soon sa ating ilo-launch natin na training courses. Guys, I'm so excited on this because if pull out natin to guys, tuloy-tuloy na to, no? Tuloy-tuloy na to. I-apply na lang natin. It's either company muna, gagastos kami ng marketing ads dito for ma-promote lang itong event natin. And then, for example, if magka face-to-face training na tayo, no, pwede natin puntaan lahat ng lugar, Cavite, Laguna, lahat-lahat na. Yun yung mga upcoming projects natin. Okay, dito si Coach GM. Hi, Coach GM.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Ayun, kamusta?
Ayun,
So,
bigla ako.
ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung question niyo, guys? Ano pala guys, no, update lang. Yun nga yung isa sa project natin, yung wala pa kaming name guys kung yung name natin, but this is not Chantal na ha, bale outside Chantal na to. Outside iba na to guys. Bale transition lang siya if they want to pursue e-commerce or dropshipping or their freelancers, no. Outside Chantal na to, but pwede naman if if ibebenta mo lang yung courses natin, no, pwede naman yun. And gagawin pa namin kung paano siya mapupull out, since for example if yung invites mo, paano mo siya, paano siya sa system, i-encode. Yan pa yung aayusin natin, no. Sabi ni Ma'am Maris Kento, no, super excited ako VP. Ayun. So we're all excited here. So guys, I'm sure guys to yung natin dito, i-discuss namin dito kasi we have our sales manager kasi is nag-attend din ng ads level up. So probably kung ano yung parang updates or trend doon, itatakil natin doon sa bagong courses. Kasi I'm sure kasi pag nagbabago kasi yung mga nagbabago kasi talaga yung yung sa Facebook, 'di ba? So dapat may bago din tayong kaalaman, no? Updated na learnings about Facebook ads. Right? Wala bang tanong dito, guys?
Ayun, okay. Tanong
Sir
na
Troy, grabe.
guys. Yes. Grabe presentation ha, baka naman. Pero wag kayong mag-alala guys ha. You can ask the recorded. Opo, para bato lang tayo ng bato dun sa ating mga prospects po. Ang ganda po ng this is our first time nakita yung ganitong atake. Ang galing. Talagang pinakita ni VP kung ano yung advantage po, 'di ba? Ng kagandahan ng Chantal Direct Sales Commerce and Dropshipping business po natin. Talagang isa-isa niya, 'di ba? Okay ba sa inyo net profit na ganyan, 'di ba? Grabe talagang very casual lang na binabanggit ni BP. Pero guys, grabe. No? Yan pa lang po pinakita ni BP. What if yung mga mas nauna pa? Diba? Dating mambababoy, bakilala nyo? Taga Bohol. Ang products nila is barley. Diba? In just 2 years, nagkaroon sila ng 23 million. Tatlong account na yun, nasama-sama. Take note, 23 million total income. Ibig sabihin ng total income, malinis na. Di ba? Pag sinabi pa ng ng BIR, magkano yung total sales nyo? Di ba? Ayan. Oo, kaway-kaway sa mga wala pang BIR ha. So, kailangan na po natin yan ha. Kumuha na po tayo ng BIR para at least di ba talagang legit na legit tayo. Ayun, nasa mga may katanungan pa po rito. At eto, hindi pa yata na ano to, BP. Sabi ni Idol Marlon Sangco, meron bang materials or creative na pwede namin gamitin for promotion?
Yes, nasagot ko na kanina yan, Sir
Nasagot yun
Troy.
na po. Opo,
Yes,
kakatapos
yes.
ko lang maligo eh.
Kaya pala.
Oo, init na init ako, grabe. And then, kaming mga existing VIP member, kapag mag-attend ng training, magbabayad ba kami para maka-attend sa training? BP.
Tawag dito, kasi yan guys, no, exclusive talaga yan sa babago talagang training. Siguro, for Sir Marlon, may separate tayo for distributors only.
Yon. Grabe.
Ah.
Ayun na, Sir Marlon.
Pero
At
yan,
sa mga-
for example,
Pero
if may prospect kayo guys, may prospect kayo, pwede nyo tong ibigay sa kanila yung courses na to. Okay?
Pero
So
kung gusto namin
parang,
umattend, BP, pwede kami magbayad.
ay sino ba yung question? Si?
Ako,
si
si Marlon.
Marlon.
Marlon, yes, you can naman. Pwede naman. Tapos pwede mo na lang i-encode na lang. For example, so if may kilala kang gusto kasi may free kasi to guys, no? Tawag ito. They can access na already Ecom Elite products. Yes.
Wow.
And then, isa din sa benefit is, yun nga, masterclass din.
Parang ano lang parang ads level up lang ang datingan ng Chantal ngayon
Yes.
Grabe. Ay guys even ako ngayon ko lang din po nakita yung presentation ng ni VP.
Yes, kasi.
Oo. At yung e-commerce natin na may subscription na guys first time lang po yan. And nadinig ko kanina habang naguhugas ako ng pinggan ay by May po ata, tama po, i-implement na ito.
Yes, sir.
Ayan.
Sir Troy. Zoom meeting muna tayo guys, but soon guys, if magsikat na itong training na courses natin, can have more events na face-to-face. Kumbaga, mura lang yung fee natin, probably 500 pesos each, no? Let's try muna sa Cebu, 'di ba? Para makilala pa talaga yung ano natin. Oo.
Grabe
Bale, hindi siya Chantal event, guys. Sponsor lang si Chantal.
Grabe.
Yun yung atake.
Grabe, BP, nakikita ko na po alam naman tayo, visionary tayo Nakikita ko na po yung magiging, basta, kung si Ads Level Up nga sumikat di ba? What more, Chairman Lowell, BP magdadaro pa.
Siyempre.
ang author nito. Wala na, given na. Kaya, eto, may tanong uli si Ma'am April. Sabi niya, actually, kakatanong lang ni Coach Marlon, ni Idol Marlon to Sabi ni Ma'am April, yung mga kaka-VIP lang po. Ibig sabihin, kakasali pa lang po ng VIP last month. So, ibig sabihin, kung ngayon, April, March, pwede po ba maka-attend dito?
For that, no, is yun talaga yung parang may bago kasi itong SKU. So probably ano tawag dito? Kung sino lang talaga yung nag-purchase sa course na yon. But sabi ko nga kanina guys, we can have exclusive training for our VIPs and yes, for distributors ni Chantal, no. But itong courses na ilo-launch natin, doon lang sa nag-avail na yun, na ano. Yes, kung alam nyo lang kung yung topic natin, pina-approve ko na kay Chairman kanina. Grabe, mababaliw kayo.
Tapos VP, ano lang 20 minimum participants, tama?
Yes, 20? At least 20 muna para try and error lang to guys. As long if maging successful to, kasi yung 20 kasi nanto guys, hopefully quality to lahat. No? Quality to lahat,
Ang
no?
daming panglobo.
Magiging
Oh,
makolod to soon by ibang distributors, no?
oh.
Yung goal natin, kaya 20 lang muna or we will accept naman kahit more than 20, no? Kung sino lang talaga tawag dito, ano sa deadline.
Okay, ganito BP pati ako interesado eh. What if, 'di ba, old na ako, 2019 pa ako eh. Pero gusto ko sumali diyan kasi siyempre may mga ituturo diyan bago, tama? Can I go to the subscription na 10,000 na? Kahit luma ako, pwede sumali?
Yung yung gustong
Oo,
I will
sumali sa
ask chairman. I will ask chairman kung sino yung for example, nagbayad din sila ng course. Pwede naman. I-ask ko muna.
Sige. So antayin po natin
Good
yung second
question,
round
good
nito.
question.
Oo. Galing ha? Okay. And then sabi ni LR110884, sabi niya, "Sir, good evening. Tanong lang po, personal po ba namin i-purchase ang 100 PB or pwede na yung 100 PB galing sa customer?" Oh. Sa maintenance to. Okay.
Sir Troy, alam mo na yan.
Yes, opo, Sir LR o Ma'am LR. Tama po, pwede po sa personal purchase po natin or pwede po sa nabentahan po natin yung in-include po natin sa shop for customer. Kasama po yan. Ayan. And of course, may nabasa lang po ako sabi ni Coach JM nabasa ko lang po. May kasama ng free products pa yung subscription?
Yes, may kasama guys, more than yung value ng products yan. For example, 10,000, probably 11,000 yan guys.
Aba,
Sulit na sulit to. Kasi pwede mo naman i-benta naman, di ba? Tapos yung courses pa guys, worth 100,000.
kaya nga.
Diba?
Grabe, sali ako dyan, sali ako. And then sabi ni Coach Giovanni, 10,000 pesos training course para kang nag-TESDA for mastering Facebook ads, e-commerce, dropshipping business, plus my free product sponsored by Chantal. Oh, tama ba, BP? Ganun ba talaga ang baksakan nito?
Yes. 10,000 pesos training course.
Parang TESDA daw ang datingan.
Yes, tama. I agree kasi doon sa workshop na to guys, no, ano talaga namin, one by one. I-check namin yung ads nyo, kung kamusta.
And then, meron pa akong gustong i-flex. Sabi ni Coach Mikey Flores, alam naman natin, Coach Mikey Flores, certified pogi ng Chantal and consistent top earner po natin ito. Ang sabi po ni Coach Mikey Flores, magiging ganito na po ba daw ang latag?
Yes. Kasi di ba we have MLM.
Kaya nga,
and also we have Ecom, no? For me, na-try kasi namin itong presentation na to sa Cebu. And so far, positive yung feedback, guys. Nakakuha talaga kami ng willing mag-ads.
Ayun.
Hindi na tayo magpa-feeding program sa Jollibee, guys. No? Pwede mo na tayo i-table talk kung sino yung i-list nyo. Ganitong presentation, guys.
Yes.
Ako mismo guys, ginamit ko na to. Ano na talaga, especially yung mga tao na may pera talaga mag-ads.
Ayun.
Tapos hindi nila alam ko na yung mga ngayon. Tapos ngayon lang sila nakaalam talaga na maganda pa yung ganitong business.
Ini-email na po yung PowerPoint presentation.
Oh, sure. Canva lang to. Ibigay ko yung link sa inyo, guys.
Ayun, yung Canva. Pengi ng Canva. Thank you, BP.
Edit na din.
Grabe, sabi ni
kasama daw si Junji. For Junji naman, guys, no, since ngayon hindi siya kasama, guys, kasi nabibuild na ka din siya ng reseller, no? So parang conflict na din sa atin.
Conflict of interest. Ang alam.
Yes.
Kasi meron din siyang sarili.
Mag-distributorship na din siya. Pero para kasi nangyari, 'di ba, may ads level up sila?
Yes.
No? So lahat ng community doon may possible talaga na if mag-distributorship sila,
Mm.
papasok talaga yun. So, yun yung goal natin.
Ayun. Grabe.
Or pwede naman guys, no, every team you can do this kind of ano naman, a strategy din.
Mhm.
Nasimula na ata sa iSeller to eh, kaya mag-meeting kami ni Coach GM.
Yes. Oo.
May
Ah,
pahingi ko presentation slide. I-send ko guys no yung link. Wait muna ha.
ayun na, guys. Oh, abangan nyo yung yung slideshow ni VP. Isesend na ngayon, no? Oh, ha? Oh, ha? Unahan na, oh.
Ano to if they can
And of course, guys, naka-record po ito. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron kayong mga prospects po,
direct message.
no? Bato lang ng presentation, no? Kanina. O, ayan na. Kunin nyo na yan. Yung e-com link na yan. Ayan, yung e-com link, yung
Dumami pala
gagaling.
tayo dito. 43 na pala tayo, Sir Troy.
Ay, o nga pa pala. Bago tayo
Question pa kayo kung ano yung question nyo guys, no? About sa upcoming ano. Ano pala guys, no? Soon guys ano na board natin around NLEX. Southbound pala. Southbound. Manila to
ayos sa
Manila
billboard.
to tama ba Sir Troy? Papuntang Manila, southbound. So nakalimutan ko ba basta ganun. It's either na lang northbound or pa southbound tayo. Okay? Inaayos lang namin kasi mas maganda talaga pag yung ano natin billboard natin may brand ambassador para sulit yung sources natin.
Ang balita ko si Certified Pogi daw ang brand ambassador natin eh.
Sino yan?
Mikey Flores.
Ay, Mikey Flores. Grabe. Pwede.
Pero kidding aside, bali artista to.
si Mikey Flores.
Hindi, yung gagawin nating brand ambassador.
Okay, yes, guys. Inaayos lang namin if tawag dito. May pinipilian na kami, guys. No? Finalize na lang namin kung sino.
And NBP nabanggit Nemo. Nabanggit nyo doon sa event yung Net 25 may interview po.
Oo nga. Buti na lang Sir Troy. Yes, guys, nag-meeting na kami with the Net 25 no. Meron na kakaroon din tayo ng feature ng Vertex Pro. Yes, isa din 'yon. Kasama natin yung mga doctors natin and of course our nutritionists. Talk sila doon about our product para pwede natin panggamit guys if nag-offline tayo no for Vertex Pro. Kasi may testimony na tayo kay Ferdinand. Pwede natin yun sa national TV.
Nice, bro.
Yung visit na but yun yung testimony natin.
Yes. Grabe.
Meron pa guys, aside from that, no, is may segment kasi sa Net25, madami tayong kinuha doon guys na show, no, para sa inyo.
Opo.
Meron din tayong business side doon na magto-talk tayo doon about e-commerce and dropshipping para makilala pa yung business model natin. And meron din for cosmetics, guys, no, kung sino ba yung distributors natin for cosmetics. Natin guys, mag-shoot na tayo within this year.
Grabe. Pag walang makitang artista, pwede na daw kami ni Coach JM,
mahal ka na daw, Sir Troy.
Well, ganun ko talaga.
Sir Mark, may question ako.
Yes, question po. Sige po.
Nung ating last meeting kasi, nasa presentation ni ating chairman, banggit doon na merong magkakaroon ng account na free sa isang ating sister company. So, available din ba yun sa lahat?
Yes guys, available na siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan siya magsa-start pero maybe after launching siguro ng Tacoma. May feature doon guys na kahit nasa Shuttle dashboard kayo guys, pwede na kayo mag-order sa UB products.
Wow!
Sa dashboard natin. Yes. May SKU na yun guys. Na maliliit na kasi same system lang naman UB and
Yes.
So bale for example, may order, pwede na kayo mag-order doon. Then
Mm.
si UB of course magpa-process doon kasi UB products yun.
Correct. So meaning to say, no?
Ulit ka na
Hindi na kami maglalabas ng puhunan.
yes.
Nice.
Tama, Sir Troy.
Opo. Yung
Grabe,
guys,
may mga lakas na product din naman ng UB sa UAE. Ayan, Tacoma, Yuglo,
Yes
grabe.
guys, mag-o-open na tayo sa yung UB products natin. Magkakaroon na din sa UAE, so you can also market there. I don't know sa Tacoma, baka ma-approve din yun kasi halal naman yun eh. Halal na approved. Yes.
pag nababanggit ang Tacoma, naalala ko si Boy Abunda eh. Wow, ang
Sir,
gandang plano po, malaking tulong, sabi ni Jonah. Panalo yan, sabi ni Arlene Valencia. Napawaw si Coach Romy. Ayan.
Wow. Ulit po, if already member me online training tapos may masterclass po.
Oo,
Yes,
tama.
ipaplan natin yun guys, no, sa lahat ng VIP members. Baka meron tayong exclusive na masterclass din for Facebook.
Actually, VP, nilalakad na uli ni Sir Randall Segovia yung SSAP, batch 9. Baka yun na yun.
Batch 9.
Baka yun na yun.
Pwede. Yes, baka yun.
Baka yun na yun para sa mga old.
Oh yes, old na mga
Mga member po. Ayan O yung guys, abang-abang po natin at marami pa po tayong mga plano po ang BP. Kasi alam po natin ang BP siyang ang may hawak ng ng marketing at operation. O tanong na guys, baka minsan lang mag-appear sa Zoom si BP at ang ganda ng ang ganda ng background niya, hindi drawing talagang totoo to, BP no.
Yes, totoo yan,
Totoo. Ayan, naka-check-in si BP Ayan, naka-check-in.
Yun guys, Sir Troy, mag-invite ka sa natin, opening.
Ay, upo. So, guys, bukas po, no? Branch opening po tayo alas 10 ng umaga diyan po sa Bulacan. At sa alas 4 po o alas 3 ng hapon, diyan naman po sa Mekene, Pampanga. Ayan po, bukas po yan, back-to-back po, branch opening.
Anong oras, Sir Troy? Anong oras?
10 a.m. sa Bulacan. And then 3 a.m. sa Mekene, Pampanga. 3 p.m. pala, sorry. 3 p.m. Ayan bukas po yan, back-to-back po yan.
Yes, guys, sa malalapit doon na you can attend our grand opening,
Yes.
no? I'm sure may mga updates din si Chairman kasi andun si Chairman, kasama din ako. And kasama din si Sir Troy, of course.
Opo.
Hindi mawawala yan, no? And I'm sure
gigisingin kita bukas, BP.
Oo, kasama daw kita sabi ni Chairman
Opo, diretso na po ako sa Laccent. Wow.
Alright. So yun lang guys, no more question kasi magte-10 na pala.
Ayan, Guys, question pa samantalayan po natin ang BP. Question pa po, pwede po kayo mag-unmute Ayan. Ano pa? Ayan. Thank you po. Thank you po. Ayan,
thank you na si Sean.
Gusto na magpaalam ni Ma'am Sean. Sabi ni Mark Kenneth, thank you po.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Sir Troy, closing ka na.
Sige. Ganun po talaga, no? At talagang, punong-puno naman po ng mga bagong kaalaman ang ating natutuhan ngayong gabing ito. At siyempre, no? Pasalamat po tayo, siyempre. None other than our beloved BP. BP Mark Magdadaro. At talagang maganda po yung presentation po niya ngayon. Even ako, no? Kahit naguhugis ang pinggan, pinapanood po siya. At maraming salamat po, siyempre, no, in behalf of our beloved Chairman Noel Magdadaro, na siya daw ang magdadrive sa amin bukas. Pasabit po kami. At sa lahat ng bumubuo, no, ayan, VP, and then si Ma'am Sheila, si Sir Julio, basta ang dami nyo At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Chantal Direct Sales at sa lahat ng mga masisipag at masigasig nating mga ka-Chantal nationwide here in the Philippines at doon sa international branches po natin. This is Troy Alan Cruz Magpantay Alto Service. God bless everyone! Pakiabangan nyo na lang po yung ating record dito. Session ko na lang po sa mga GC natin.
Bye-bye.
Salamat!
Bye-bye, guys. Ingat po. Good
Bye-bye!
night. Good night.
Good night, everyone!